I'm so happy kasi dumating na ang pinagmamalaki ng kaibigan ko na improved version nito. Mas makapal daw yung stainless nito. This is 316. At hindi ka daw mapapasok because there's rubber in between the glass and the metal. Tsaka dito din, meron ng protection. Tignan natin kung talagang hindi tayo makapasok. Painitin natin. Ayan, medyo napapaso na ako syempre. I'm holding on to the glass. Tapos dito din, dito meron. Pero ito, I can lift it without a pot holder. Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan yung init na kaya niya. May konting init siya that I can handle. If you can't handle it, you can use your towel. Pero dito, it's actually less hot. Pag sobrang init, I guess pag you're boiling something or you're stewing something or you're frying something, that's talaga sobrang init. Isa, no? Pero just in case, you can use it without it. If you want to have this new improved wok pan, punta na kayo sa site. Check it out. Nandyan yung full details at saka yung price. Mukhang mag-e-enjoy kayo dito.